السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد، رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. اللهم نرجو رحمتك فلا تكلنا إلى أنفسنا طرفة عين وأصلح لنا شأننا كله لا إله إلا أنت. اللهم يسر ولا تعسر. نسأل الله أن يهدينا ويشرح صدورنا للإيمان. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم يا أيها الإخوة في هذه الحلقة الجديدة لتعلم اللغة العربية. اليوم لنبدأ بدرس الدرس 19 بإذن الله. إن شاء الله. So I will be sharing the screen and we can have the book now on our screen. So this chapter number 19 will be dealing with the numbers, as already we studied about al-adad al-tartibi wal-adad asli, the cardinal and the ordinal numbers. We studied about that thing because now we have to apply that concept here in this lesson. And besides that, there are some rules here and there which I will be telling you now, because now we will be starting. So once we know that there are two types of numbers. One is the cardinal numbers, al-adadul asli, and the second is the ordinal numbers, al-adadul tartibi. So asli numbers are like we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like in this also you can appreciate there are like salasatu tullab, like it's mentioned here, salasatu tullab, 3 students, or like we have arba'atu tullab, 4 students. So these are the students. This counting is cardinal. Then we have the ordinal counting called as tartibi. In that we say first, second, third, fourth, because we are giving a tartib. Now we are giving a tartib, or we are giving an order. That's why we say ordinal. We say ordinal. Okay, we say that's why we say ordinal. Means to give an order. That's why we say first, second, third, and fourth, and like that. One more thing is that besides giving an order, we can say in we can say in tartib one more thing, that we can say that there is a pattern by which we make this counting. There is a pattern, or there is a formula for making this al-adad, for making this counting al-adad al-tartibi. Al-adad al-tartibi. Al-adad al-tartibi. Al-adad al-tartibi. That order is like one is to make the things in order. Like we say, adarsul awwalu. Then we say adarsul thani. Then we say adarsul thalith. Then we say like adarsul rabi'. Then we say adarsul khamis. If you will see that awwalu, thani, thalith, rabi' wa khamis, that there is a pattern, there is a formula called as fa'il, or you say al-fa'ilu, al-fa'ilu, that on the pattern of fa'il, we make this like rabi'u, khamisu, sadisu, sabi'u, salisu, thani. So there is a pattern for making al-adad at-tartibi, but there is no pattern for making al-adad al-asli, for making the cardinal number. There is no pattern because we say wahid, isna, salasa, arba, khamsa, sitta, sab'a. So there is no pattern. But for making this tartibi, we have a pattern called as al-fa'ilu. Al-fa'ilu. Now, coming on to the chapter, in chapter, the first sentence is kam taliban. Firstly, we need to see about the kam. Kam means, we can say how many. If we try to translate, like I can say kam taliban, how many students, so this kam is actually divided into kam is simply yani, it's a noun. Okay, once we try to see its grammar, it's simply a noun. Then we say, once we say kam, it's divided into two parts. The kam is divided into two parts. We say kamil istifamiyatu, and the second one is kamil khabriyatu. Kamil istifhamiyatu and kamil khabriyatu. Kamil istifhamiyatu. Kamil istifhamiyatu, and the second is kamil khabriyatu. So these are the two things. As the name itself is, it's a self speaking. The name itself says Kamil Istifam. It means it is a noun which is used for asking questions. That this is a noun for asking. So we will say that this is a Interrogative come. Interrogative come. The second one, kamil khabriyatu, it means it's a predicative come. It's a predicative come. Always and always remember that this come, kamil istifamiyatu, will be always wahid mansoob. Wahid mansoob. Yani what is coming after this will always be wahid and it will be mansoob. Let's say, for example, come kitaban, or in this chapter we have come taliban, come taliban. So here we have talib, that is wahid, and that is taliban, that is mansoob, that is mansoob. So this is a singular and mansoob, yani that is a with a fatah, that is with a fatah. Now for kamil khabriyatu as the predictive come, it will be if I write the same sentence, firstly, what will be its Arab? What will be its Arab for kamil khabriyatu? It may be singular or it may be plural. Okay, it may be singular or it may be plural. It is most of the times it's majroor. It can be wahid or it can be jama, and it's majroor. It's a genitive case. Majroor. Let's say example, kam najmin fi sama. Kam najmin fi sama. Fi samai with an exclamatory mark. So this is showing a wonder. Oh, how many stars are there in the sky? Kam najmin. How many stars are there in the sky? So this is showing us wonder, that someone is wondering, oh, how, or some we can say, kam zakiyan anta. Oh, how intelligent are you? How intelligent are you? So also we can say like come, let's say one more example. The way we speak, that will make the differentiation. If I say come kitaban indak,
Okay, or if I say kam kitaban indak, sorry, kam kitabin indak. Here it means kam kitaban indak, how many books you are having. Now if I say kam kitabin indak, it means, oh, how many books you are having. You are having a very big library. You are having a very big library. Now this was regarding come. Now after come, what is coming? After come, what is coming? Like we say come kitaban. In chapter number 18, I told you this kitaban is tamiz, is is tamyi, is tamyizun. It means to specify or to remove ambiguity. Ambiguity, to remove the ambiguity or to remove the confusion about what we are talking about. For example, I can say, come hakibatan indak, how many bags you are having. So after come, if I am not speaking anything, how many, how many, what he is talking about, how many books, how many bags, how many brothers, how many sisters, how many what. So this part is called as tamyiz. This part is called as tamyiz. And last time in Arabic we wrote its definition. In Arabic we wrote as ismun nakiratun, ismun 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 nakiratun mutazamminun ma'na min libayani ma qabluhu min ijmal. Ismun nakiratun, firstly it's a noun which is a common noun, mutazamminun ma'na min, and that noun will be having min inside, that will be hidden, libayani ma qablu min ijmal, and it will be removing the ambiguity what is coming before it. Yani ma qabluhu min ijmal, yani anything which is coming before it, it will remove the ambiguity. Like if, for example, if I will say in the mitrun, or let's say, yeah, in the mitrun, I have a meter. I have 1 meter of what? I have 1 meter of shirt. I have 1 meter of pant. I have 1 meter of silk. What I am having. So that time I will say that uh, uh, if I say in the mitrun hariran, in the mitrun hariran, indi mitrun hariran. Here it means that I am saying mitrun, I am saying a quantity that is a linear measurement of meter, but what meter? But once I say harir, once I say silk, I am removing the ambiguity. Or if, for example, if I say, let's say, uh, sharibtu, uh, uh, sharibtu litran. I drank 1 liter of what? If I say sharibtu, if I say sharibtu, if I say sharibtu litran, I drank 1 liter of what? If I say I drank 1 liter of milk, haliban, it means that this halib is the tamiz because it is removing the ambiguity of the sentence. Otherwise, this sentence was in an ambiguous state that what I drank. So this thing will remove the ambiguity. Now, in our chapter, we have like kam taliban jadidan fi faslik ya shaykhu. How many new students are there in your class, or sheikh? So that time, if I say kam طالبا جديدا في فصلك يا شيخ في في فصلك يا شيخ. So that time, what are the things we have to remember? This kam will become kamil istifham. Kamil istifham, because this is the interrogative sentence. Number second is the talib, that will be the tamiz. That will be the tamyizun, meaning mayyada yumayyizu tamyizan means to remove the ambiguity. Yani ma qabluhu min ijmal, what is coming before it in a short form, it will be removing the ambiguity of that. And this talib is removing the ambiguity of this sentence, of this kalima come, of this sentence come. So this is regarding this. Now المدير يقول كم طالبا جديدا في فصلك يا شيخ. So طالب and jadid, the relationship is that this is not, and talib is man'ud, not and man'ud. So it means not is the adjective and man'ud is the noun qualified, or the other way around is that is mausuf and sifa. The other way we say not as sifa, sifatun, and this we say mausuf. Okay, then fi fasli jar majrur, ya shaykhu harfu nida, ba'da harfu nida yati al ism ma'a dhamma, ya shaykhu, ya shaykhu. المدرس يجب فيه 10 طلاب جدد. 10 طلاب. Now this sentence is ordinal counting, is afwan, it's cardinal counting. This is cardinal counting, or we say al-adadu al-adadul asli, al-adadul asli, al-adadu asli. And in this the rule is from 3 to 10. We say إذا كان المعدود مذكرا يكون العدد 1 واثنين مذكران. That if the ma'dud, if the number which we are counted the number, the thing which we are counting, adad and ma'dud. Ma'dud is the thing amma natahaddas, about which we are talking about, or about the thing which we are counting, like books, like pencils. And adad is the number. Huwa ismun nakiratun yadullu ala miqdarul ashya'il ma'dudah. It means that it's a noun which deals or which describe or which talks about the miqdar, about the quantity, adad. So like we say 3, 4 or 5. Now here in this we have asharatu, we have asharatu, then we have tullabin. So asharatu is the adad, is the number, and tullabin is the madud, the thing which we are counting. And the rule from 3 to 10 is that al-adadu min salasa ila ashar, that the al-adad or al-i'dad min salasatu ila ashar, that the i'dad, that the things which we are counting from 3 to 10, tukhaliful adad fi tazkir wa tanis, that it will be opposite to the adad in tazkir and tanis, in gender. In gender, always remember tukhaliful ma'dud, tukhaliful ma'dud, yani al-i'dad, adad means singular and its jama is i'dad. It means that al-i'dad min salasa ila ashar, that from adad, the number from 3 to 10, to khaliful madud, it will be opposite to madud fi tazkir wa tanis, in the gender. Now here the talib is a muzakkar, is a muzakkar, is a muzakkar. So the number will be muannas, will be muannas. Number will be muannas. You can see there is a ta'i mudawwara. There is a ta'i mudawwara. There is a ta'i mudawwara. I will just write it here because this is the first example. It's written fihi asharatu, fihi asharatu tullabin jududin. Now fihi is jar majroor, is jar majroor, jarun wa majroorun, shibhi jumlah, khabar, muqaddam, jarun wa majroorun, shibhi jumlatin, khabar muqaddam, khabarun muqaddamun. Then we have asharatu tullab. In this asharatu is the mubtada'u wa huwa muzaf. Then we have tullabin, that is muzafun ilayhi wa huwa man'ut أو موصوف. Then we have jududin. Then we have jududin, that's not أو sifatun. أو sifatun, because we know muwafiq bayna nat wa man'ut fi tazkir wa tanis wal i'rab wal adad. Naam. In four things they are related to each other. One is the gender, tazkir wa tanis. Then we have the number, al-i'dad. Then we have the i'rab. Then we have the i'rab, that if it is ma'rifah, it will be also ma'rifah. And what is the fourth thing in which it is related with each other? What is the fourth thing? Ya ayyuhal ikhwa, bayna al-nat wal man'ut. One is the adad, one is the tazkir, one is the i'rab, ma'rifa nakira. What is the fourth thing? Akhi Sikandar,
I forgot.
Dr. Zahid,
Yes.
Dr. Himayu.
Can't recall. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Can't recall.
One was the number, adad. One was the tazkir and tanis, gender, number, and then was the Arab. Then was the Arab, that Ma'rifa and Nakira. What was the fourth thing for the Nat and Manut, by which they have the relationship? Hada wajib al-manzili alaykum. Okay, you will check this and let me know. So in this,
Inshallah.
and put it in the group.
Inshallah.
Asharatu tullabin. So this is number one, mukhalif. Mukhalif. This is mukhalif. This is muzakkar. And this is muannas. Muannas. So this is mukhalif from 3 to 10, because the counting will be opposite. And the counting will come as muzaf and muzafun ilayhi. Muzafun and muzafun ilayhi, because this is asharatu and this is muannas and there is tullabin. So this is muzafun ilayhi. Asharatu tullab. So this is with the counting al-adad, al-adadul asli, al-adadul asli. Then we have, just we will take a couple of sentences. Min aynahum kulluhum min baladin wahidin. from where are they? Min aina hum, yani whom is going to the tullab. Akulluhum, are they all min baladin wahidin? Are they from? They all are from one city, from one place. Balad din wahidin. So the Arab is same. Arab is same. Majroor and majroor. Okay, muzakkar and muzakkar. Now you can see here wahidin min baladin wahidin, from one city. Kulluhum is muzaf and muzaf ilay. Kullu or kullun. Okay, we say kullu is taken as, most of the times it come as muzaf. Kulluhum, that's why hum is muzafun ilay. So the answer for this question is la. Al jawab fin nafi. La harfu jawab lin nafi. La hum min biladin mukhtalifatin. Balad means one city and its jama is bilad. Its jama is biladun. So biladun is the jama. So why is this mukhtalifatin? If bilad is the jama, so it should not be mukhtalifatin. It should be like mukhtalifatin, because this is hum is mubtada. Hum is mubtada. Zamir munfasilun. This is a detached pronoun. Zamirun munfasilun. Yaud ila tullab. It's going to the tullab. Done. Where is the khabar? Min is harf jar and biladin is ism majroor. So jar majroor should be jumla khabar, but bilad is also man'ut and mukhtalifatin is not. Now my question is that if bilad is jama, balad bilad, so why mukhtalifatin is singular? It should be like na mukhtalifatin. Why this is mukhtalifatin? Only one. I want a
Because
fast answer.
if the plural is
Jama
ghair,
mudhakkar.
plural is ghair
Yes, this
aqil,
is Gyara, Akil, Ahsanta. Then we have the rule Kullu Jama,
Muannas.
Kullu Jama Muannas. That all of the Gyara, Akil, all of the Gyara, Akil, which are without any intelligence, they are equal to one female. They are all equal to one female, because all the rules which are applying on the one female will be applied on that. That's why Mukhtalifatin. Lahum min biladin mukhtalifatin minhum, and from them. This minhum is khabar. Okay, this minhum is, yani min is harf jar and hum is ism majroor. So jar majroor should be jumla khabar, minhum, from them, and minhum is going to tullab. Salasatu tullabin min Philippines. From them, 3 students are from Philippines. So this is the khabar. Where is the mubtada? Mubtada is the salasatu. Wa huwa muzaf. Tullabin is the muzafun ilay. Then we say min Philippines. Min Philippines jar majroor mutaalliq bil khabar. Mutaalliq bil khabar. Yani salasatu tullabin minhum min Philippines. But here the khabar is muqaddam, so it said minhu salasatu tullabin min Philippines. This is al adadul asli mukhalif. There is opposition between the adad and madu, the thing which is counting, and the number. Then this is wawul ataf, and this will be matuf, and this will be matuf alayhi. And 4 students from Japan were Taliban means seen. Talib means one and Taliban means two. Two students from China. And this is again Matuf. This is Matuf, and this again will be the first sentence and Matuf alay. Wa talib wahidun min Malaysia, and one student from Malaysia. Now talibun wahidun. I told you one and two. There is what is there? There is not mukhalifat. There is not mukhalifat. From between 1 and 2, there will be no mukhalifat. That's why I say is kan al madudu muzakkaran or is kan al madud muannasan fi wahid wa isnain muzakkirani or muannasani. That if this is muzakkar, then the number will be also muzakkar, because we say wahidun talibun. It is not wahidun talibatun. Okay, it is mawsuf sifat. This is naat and man'ut. This is naat and this is man'ut. This is man'ut, or vice versa. You can say talibun wahidun or wahidun talibun. Here it's mentioned like talibun wahidun, talibun wahidun. So this is a sifat, this is a naat, and talib is the man'ut. So there is a relationship that is tuwafiq, or we say al-adad, there is a tuwafiq between adad and madud fi tazkir and tanis, but from 3 to 10 there will be mukhalifat. Inshallah, next week we will continue with this chapter, inshallah. وأقول قولي هذا أستغفر الله لي ولكم جزاكم الله خيرا.